The villa sits on over 800 square meters of land. It enjoys fantastic green and lush gardens. And inside, we do have a facility of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, together with a spacious living space with high ceilings and top-to-ceiling windows. But we also have a fantastic feature that I will show you. Come on, it's a secret. This villa enjoys 70 square meters of semi-basement, which is at the moment in a raw state. But it has windows and natural light on both sides of the space. The future owner can here create fantastic living space, bedrooms, cinema room, gym, bodega, whatever they wish. And this is an absolutely added value to this property.